coming back to my channel Education Zone, and it's me Ereshva Joshi. So you all are my friends and I am your so happy Friendship Day. Weeks rolls. So you all know that today is a Friendship Day. It's a very nice festival because on this day, whenever I go somewhere, everybody, my friends, like my friends are of my school friends, my neighbor friends, all comes and gives me gifts, and we give the gifts together to each other. And for that, so today I can see my tab. So I'll see my tab and I'll see what notifications I got today. Oh no! My friends are coming in 15 minutes at my home. Oh no, shit. So what snack I'll make today? Think Ereshva. You can find anything. Yeah, we can make Manaco bites. So come with me. Let's make Manaco bites. So yeah, for making Manaco bites, we want some ingredients. That ingredients were bhujia. Any namkeen you can take. So I have taken here aloo namkeen, aloo bhujia. It's my favorite because, and some peanuts we have, and boiled potatoes. Boiled potatoes slices we want here. Cabbage cut it, and onions you can see, and chaat masala. Chaat masala is very important for this dish, means for this snack. Salt, chili powder, some you eat papad like that only. These are papads. And butter is very important for it. And yeah, for it there is a very essential thing, that was ketchup. So, and one Manaco biscuit packet we want. So yeah, you can just see here I have Manaco biscuits. So what to do? We have Manaco biscuits. Arrange them in a tray or in a plate you have. So now knife, but it's not a knife from which we can cut onions and all. This is a knife from which we can take a butter. Okay, so I have take the butter here. Take one Manaco biscuit and put on it butter. Oh, it's too good. It's looking from now only it's looking delicious. Take a butter and do all. Do it all. So yeah, I have put butter on all the biscuits. So now what we have to keep on it? We have to keep some potatoes. You know that I have boiled these potatoes myself only, and then I have cutted the very thick slice on it, and let me put wow, it's too good looking, yeah. It's too nice. I love it. So yeah, I have put potatoes on it. So now we have to put some salt on it. So on all, put it some salt. La la la, so this good. So and then chili powder. how much amount you want, that much amount only you have to spread some chili powder, okay? So now cabbage. Oh, it's looking too delicious. Yeah, cabbage. La la la, cabbage is too delicious. I hope you all know that I love cabbage to eat. Yeah. And now little bit this chaat masala. We have to spread little bit chaat masala on all. Yeah, I've spread. Now, papad. You can use chips also. So yeah, papad. From now only it's looking too much delicious. What can I do? Yeah. And now onions. Onions. Many people can't eat onions, but they can't eat, so this is not compulsory that you can put onions also, okay? It's not in compulsory. And I want to tell you guys that this dish means this snack is very good and it's veg only. So yeah, I have put it onions also on all the biscuits. Now some namkeen. Delicious. So it's a bhujia, but I have taken here aloo bhujia because I love aloo bhujia. And now you put on it peanuts. I put it here peanuts, you can see on all. Oh my god, it's too delicious. Yeah. And now we have to spread some salt. And chili powder again. Some chaat masala again. It's too delicious. Yeah. And now sauce. So I have to cut sauce. You guys have cut it. I have here sauce sachet. Okay. It's a ketchup. Ketchup is very important for this dish. So essential thing is ketchup. So yeah, dish is ready. It's so good looking. And now I show you this dish. Ta-da-da! I hope you love this dish. You can see. Okay, I taste it and I tell you that how was it. I taste it. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's too delicious! I love it. Ding dong! Oh, I hope my friends have came. So okay, bye bye. And if you like this video, so please like it and subscribe my channel so you can get more and more videos, more and more notification. So for now, bye bye, and I'll come very quick to the next video. Bye.